Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to talk about adjectives and nouns. Do you know what is an adjective and what is a noun? Let's write on our board what this is. First of all, let's remember that a noun is a word that represents a thing, a person, object, or place. Let's talk about some examples of what is a noun. It could be a name of somebody, an apple. It could be the school. Remember, a noun is a word that represents something. So now we're going to talk about adjectives. The word adjective means describe the qualities or states of being of nouns. Are words that describe the qualities of something. So now that we have this information, we're going to check out some examples of this. We have here an ice. The ice would be the noun. How is the ice? It is cold. Cold would be the adjective. Now let's create a sentence with this image. The ice, which would be the noun, is cold. Cold would be the adjective. So, ice is the thing that is representing the object, and cold is what is describing how the object is. Let's do another example. Here we have somebody who is cleaning his hands. So let's make an example of the name of this person. Maybe it could be Peter has clean hands. Let's check out this sentence. Peter would be the noun and clean would be the adjective because this is describing how his hands are. So, now that we know this information and that we just talked about it, can you give me some examples of what you understand of this? Do you remember what we were talking about? Yes, nouns and adjectives. So we are going to continue working with some examples. We have here a giraffe. Do you see how the giraffe is? Can you describe it? Let's make a sentence. First of all, we have to know that giraffe is the noun of this object. And how is a giraffe? The giraffe is tall. So now let's complete all this sentence. The giraffe is, how is it? Yes, it's tall. So here I have my noun, and here is my adjective. One more example. We have fire. How is fire? Fire is hot. So let's make an example of this image. The fire is hot. Now, let's search for the noun and the adjective here. Our noun would be fire and our adjective would be hot because this is describing how the fire is. For homework, I am going worksheet where we are going to be working adjectives and nouns. See you next class.